Hi, Chloe. Hello. Hi, Chloe. Chloe. Is it pretty? Very nice. Good girl. Up. Yeah. Good girl. Good set. Good set. Down. No, that's the zipper. Down. Good. Down. You ready? Chloe. Roll. Down. Down. Yes. Roll over. Very nice. And a spin. Yeah, there's a ball in there. There's a ball you want me to kick. Anyways, oh gosh, it's like my old camera for vlogging. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys how much work I have to do tonight. I have 30 minutes or so, and I have all this laundry and garbage, and then there's some stuff I have to clean up before going to bed. And I thought it'd be really cool to do it all really quickly, so hopefully it works. Alright, so I've done a moderately good job. I've cleaned up, as you see, most of the junk here. This is just still a little bit damp, so I left that there, and I don't know where to put those gloves. And Chloe, and there's Chloe. Oh, and Roomba. That's Bud. I call him Bud, or Buddy. He does most of my chores, but I give him the carpets to do. And then there's some gars. I know it's not perfect, but hopefully it wasn't too painful for you to watch. There's my setup right there. I had that tripod. I was using this light stand earlier to put the camera up here. And that's basically it for that. Hope you enjoyed. Oh, looks like someone's stuck.